Hey everybody, it's Adam.
And Dino. Oh.
Mr. Dino's having a really tough day. Do you want to tell him?
Okay. I don't know what I'm good at.
I know, Mr. Dino was kind of feeling bad because he just doesn't feel like he's really good at anything. But I told him there's a lot of things he probably hasn't even thought of yet, but he's actually good at a lot of things.
Like what?
You actually, number one, you are really funny.
I am?
Yes, you have a really good sense of humor and you love to make kids laugh, and you also have a really funny laugh.
Well, I do have that.
There you go. Yep. So you have a good laugh. You also do a really good job caring about people.
I do, don't I?
You're right. You're nice to Mr. Elephant, Petrie, to Pepe the Pig, even Mr. Rat.
Yeah, sometimes he's not so nice.
I know, but you're still nice to him anyway. So, again, you have a good sense of humor, you care about people, and you try really hard.
I know, I do my work.
I know, you work really hard at that. So, there are things that you're good at, but sometimes when you're feeling sad, you just can't feel them. Guess what? In those moments, it's okay. You can be in your feelings.
I have big feelings today.
I know. It's okay to have big feelings. And you can hold on to them. And you know what? I'll just hold them with you. I can't solve it, but I can stick with you and I can be here with you.
Thank you.
Sometimes, just when you're with someone else, it does help a little bit so you don't have to feel like you're alone. And I feel like that too different times.
I know. I don't know how to fix it.
Sometimes we can't fix it right away, but what we can think about is the things that are true. And the things I named, all are true. So eventually those emotions catch up to you.
Okay.
It is okay. Hey kids, guess what? If you're feeling sad or just kind of feeling negative about yourself, if you can think of three positive things that are true and just hold on to them. It doesn't mean you're trying to change where you're at, but it does just focus on something that's good and right and pure. And again, helps encourage you this like, you know what? I'm just struggling, but I still got other good things going for me.
Okay. You can feel.
We always say that at this house. You can feel, and that's okay. And I'm glad you're here, and I'm glad you can feel too. Thank you.
Thank you.